Hello, this is a very important channel. So this 2 a.m. clock and Philippines morning of midnight. So hindi naman ako talaga makatulog kasi ang haba ng tulog ko kanina. Nagising ako ng sex to going to 12 a.m. to lunch break. So hindi pa ako makatulog. I just coffee before my bed. Unless it's for TikTok photos. But I think this is ang aking browse for my phone. This is the virus, Nipah virus in healthcare. So India. So kumakalat sa India, Bangladesh, and Malaysia to come in Philippines, Southeast Asia, international. You know what? Kasi ganito kasi yan. Dapat i-postpone nyo agad ang airport o lahat ng Filipino OFWs hindi papasok ng Philippines in this January to February, whatever. The testing about people quarantines because no vaccine, di ba? This is a part of coronavirus for animals, or whatever, Batman, paniki, anything. Kung ano mang scientific ng mga doktor, scientists, expert dyan. Ito ay nothing for good, but is obvious for the world about people living or traveling to us. At nakakahawa talaga yan. So, hindi naman nakakahawa o nakakahawa. But research that for animal to flying or whatever connected to land and sky to make what I'm listening to learn this it. Kahit saan bansa, meron yan at tutubo yan sa bansa nila kasi nga virus. Di ba sabi ko, for vaccine about coronavirus, but for the people na namatay, yung mga vaccine na linibing na hindi nasunog, hindi patay ang virus yun. Andun sa ilalim ng lupa yun. Kaya lalabas yan sa ibabaw ng lupa at magkakalat sila sa hangin at kukunik sila sa mga animals at mga eating food, anything to environment and natures. Yung iba naman sa coronavirus sinunog, di ba? Talagang sunog. Pero yung mga maraming tinapon, ang iba tinapon sa dagat. Yung virus hindi napapatayan. Hindi basta-basta napapatayan. Ang papatay yan sa apoy, sa tubig, hindi namamatayan or anything. Virus is very immortal spirit of the devil. But it comes to put the Christ in the Bible, the virus is very animalistic bacteria for eating your God. Kaya huwag na kayo magtaka. Hindi ba sinabi ko for vlog to my YouTube before a few years na babalik ang coronavirus against the middle email to our image as the name o iba-ibang kapamilya ng virus katulad ng Nipah virus o anything virus again. So, ngayon, kakalat naman ng quarantine for airports. Tapos, may mga ayuda naman na mangyayari kasi hindi naman tayo maglalabas ng house. So, nakamas na naman tayo uli. O di ba ako, hindi ako nagtatanggal ng mask, ganun pa rin, nagmamas pa rin ako kasi yung sabi ko sa vlog ko, darating at babalik ang virus. Because the God is not to me. It's just coming in the final day and over the world war trading nation. And, for battle people, they will lose. But it will be difficult and changes our lives in life. So by the doctors in hospital that were seeking the problem, this Nipah virus na wala pa silang invention na vaccine. So right, ganun talaga. Mabilis. Ito na virus na to is not a coronavirus powerful, but this is virus is very difficult like a magic because tutubo ito sa bansa. Hindi to kailangan ang India papasok ng Pilipinas mahawan, hindi. Ito ay yung sinabi ko nga, ng tao nagkaroon ng coronavirus, namatay at linibing, maraming ganon sa iba-ibang bansa, doon nagmula yan ang Nipah virus. Follow for more, listen for intelligence, whether it's spiritual and content to continue healing by your technology and recharge your electricity power and technology your phone and touch and before the news channel. Thank you. Follow to my YouTube channel.